Hello, welcome to my quick demo about XMind and how to elaborate mind maps to collect requirements from stakeholders. Mind map is a diagram that we normally use to organize information and connect ideas. It's created around a single concept or idea from which words, images, sentences, etc. are added. Major ideas are connected directly to the central topic as other ideas branch out from those. So this is the interface of XMind. So it's pretty intuitive, pretty user-friendly. So for us now to collect requirements, let's use a basic mind map, a balanced map, clockwise. You could use any one of these, but let's choose this one. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click there, you have tons of choices for templates. You can choose colors, formats. It's very cool, and you can choose the look and feel that you prefer. Let's go ahead and get the professional one just for us to practice a little bit the user interface. So I'm going to go create. And here we go. We have a central topic from which other ideas will branch out, and then we have what we call a mind map with association of ideas. So for example, in here we would put just the name of the project, or what you want the result of the project, the final result of the project. And you go ahead and click enter. To start branching out the ideas, we hit the key on the keyboard, insert. And then when it's the same level of idea, we go ahead and go enter, 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 enter. So it's a kind of relationship between a parent and a child. So to open a subtopic, we go insert. And if it's the same level, it's another child, we go enter, enter, enter. So it's when it's the same level, we go enter. When it's a subtopic, we hit the root, and then we hit insert on the keyboard, or you can go ahead and go here on the main menu. We can go insert, topic, or subtopic. Subtopic, the child item. You can also use tab. For example, you're here, you can go tab on your keyboard, and then you have a son. And to have brothers for that son, I call son the children, you go enter, enter, enter. So it's very simple, and you can start connecting ideas. For example, we have a stakeholder here asking for something. He has a very brief idea on what he wants, and then you can go ahead inserting ideas until you have a final a whole idea. Once you have a requirement that is complete, that's unambiguous, that makes sense, that you know exactly what you need to do. I have some mind maps here that I prepared, just an example. Here we have a house renovation. So in here, I'm not getting requirements from stakeholders. I already have one, I just have one stakeholder, that's the client that's requesting this renovation. So I want her to explain to me exactly what she wants in the kitchen, in the bathroom, and on the front porch. These are the three areas that she's going to renovate on her house. So for the kitchen, I already collect some requirements. She wants a brand new white cabinet. There's a number of the cabinet. Let me zoom here a little bit so that you can see better. So here we go. So she wants a brand new white cabinet. She has the number and she has the catalog. And I went ahead and added the picture because the software allows you to add pictures. Just going insert, and you can insert image from file. And then when you have a picture, there is no way it can be ambiguous. People will know exactly what they need to provide for that requirement, to meet that requirement. Then you have granite countertops. Then there's a model, there's a color. So there's another picture that makes sure that we are meeting the customer requirements. For the bathroom, I have a few more requirements. She wants a jacuzzi, this type of jacuzzi. She wants heated flooring. I have a picture exactly of what she wants, and the tiles for the floor, the walls of the bathroom. Notice that we have codes, we have a manufacturer's name, we have everything. Because if she goes in the kitchen, oh, I just want white cabinets, and you provide a cabinet that's white, but it's not the model that the client wants, this requirement is not meeting the customer or the client's needs. The same thing for the front porch. The front porch, in this case, the client wants painting with Sherwin-Williams Green Vibes color. I went there and I got the exact color the client wants so that I can validate that this is the specific requirement that she wants. That's what she wants and what she needs. So for the front porch, I can go ahead. I'm interviewing the client, and she wants another requirement. She wants something else for the front porch. So as I mentioned earlier, it's just a matter of hitting insert. So I have another topic, and in here let's put some light fixtures for the porch. She wants 2 of them, and she wants a certain style. So I prepared for this demonstration, so I already have a picture that I can use to confirm if that's exactly what the client wants. So I go ahead, let me create a child here, so a subtopic, so that it's connected to this requirement. So I'll go ahead and insert from file. Then I have here the fixtures. Let me see. That's exactly what the client wants right here. So I just go ahead and click twice to add. You can just click on the image and you can size it up so that it can show nicely on the mind map. And here we go. We can change the name to fixtures. And there we go. You have a mind map that's very clear. I'll just zoom it in, zoom it out. Here we go. Here's a mind map with the customer's requirements. It's very clear what she wants for the kitchen, what she wants for the room, and what she wants for the front porch. So there's no question about it. It's there complete, and you can go on and so on and so forth. So it makes it much easier to see exactly what the client is seeing. So this is a requirement mind map. And we mentioned this example during the class, an ad campaign for emojis. So in here, that's the similar to the exercise we'll be doing for the assignment, for the homework assignment. So here I have the project name, and we're interviewing some stakeholders to see what exactly they want to have in the ad campaign, or what are the requirements for me to work on this project. So I'm starting with the high impact and high influence stakeholders so that I know exactly what they want, what they need, what they're expecting from me. And I also have to remind them of our constraints. For example, if I have a budget constraint, if I have a time constraint. So we're going to talk to them and see what they're seeing to align their visions, align their views of what can be done for this project. So we are working on the project of an ad campaign for emojis that we mentioned earlier as an example for objectives and all that. So the marketing director, I already had some requirements here. Take a look at the requirements. So they have to be complete. So the marketing director is asking, ads should only go to 5 top social media outlets. So he let us know very clearly that he only wants the ad on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, Pinterest. He doesn't want it anywhere else. So we have to talk to them and know exactly what they want, and this is easy to this requirement is very easy to meet. But if I had just gone up to here, ads should only go to 5 top social media outlets. It could be any 5 depending on the view. There are more than 20 social media outlets. So when we collect requirements, we have to know exactly what they want, the stakeholders want. Here's the second one for the marketing director. Campaign has to follow our corporate guidelines for ad campaigns, version 10.2, dated September 2017. And it goes on like that. For the CEO, I have some requirements that ask me, like I need to approve the concept at least 3 months before ad goes live. Absolutely no political overtones should be present in this campaign, no political overtones. And it goes on, the technical director is asking, or he needs, or he wants, has to be compatible with all mobile operating systems. It has to be developed with our internal tool, ABMB. And the finance director has also some requirements, some needs, some wants that we have to analyze. So this mind map is simulating, interviewing different stakeholders to come up with requirements for the project that we're working on. In this case, ad campaign for emojis. So with that, we know exactly what they want. This goes on throughout the planning of a project. And a lot of these things will be included in the scope. So we need to know what they want to be able to plan the work that is involved in delivering all these requirements, all these needs and wants from the stakeholders. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you use this demonstration wisely to do your homework assignment. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.